Hi friend, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to convert image file into text. You must have Microsoft Office. If you don't have, you can easily download Microsoft Office from Google. So, just follow me. There are many ways to do so, but I will show you the easiest of them. Have a look here. It is a JPEG file. I mean, it is an image file. Now we will copy the desired text from this image. Do not skip or close the video. Hope you will find it useful. Now go to Run, and search OneNote. If you cannot find OneNote, make sure that Microsoft Office is installed in your PC. In the menu bar, go to File and click New, so a new project will open. Now open that image file and do not minimize or close that file. Keep open your desired file. Go to Insert, and then click Screen Clipping. Now select the area of image file, which you want to copy from that. Once it is done, just right-click on that and then click Copy Text from Picture, and now you can paste it anywhere. You remove, copy or delete the text if you want to edit. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon so you will not miss upcoming video. If you face any problems, just comment below. I will try my best to help you.